diamonds. I like stunning. I like shining. I like $1,000,000 deals.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Huh? So today I'm going to be doing a cooking video with y'all. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Turn on all post notifications. I'll be dropping them bangers. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I got all the ingredients out. So you need the waffles, butter. We use Blue Bunny right there. That's the butter we use. You'll need a spoon and a skillet. And last thing you need is syrup. It's original. We got original syrup. Okay, so now I'm going to sit y'all guys down. We're about to get to cooking. Okay, so you want to set your thing up to this right here. So you want to turn it, set it up to between low and medium, right there, like that. But then you want to wait till the pot get hot. So I'm gonna wait till the pot get hot, and then I will catch y'all when the waffles are in the pot. Peace. Okay, y'all. So now the waffles are in the pot. As you can see, 3. So I'm gonna wait till 10, 11 because they are kind of frozen. So you gotta let them unthaw. So and then I forgot one ingredient is the eggs. Got the 18 eggs, grade A, medium. Right there. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to 10, 11. So I'll catch y'all when it hits 10, 11. Peace. Okay, y'all. So it's 10, 11. So now I'm about to switch them. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Want to flip them like that. Turn it over. Okay. They're still kind of cold, so yeah. Hey, burn yourself. I'm kind of like a pro at doing waffles, so it's just my thing to do. Okay, so at 11:14, I'm gonna switch them over so they can cook on the other side too. So now they're like this. So at 11:14, I will come back to y'all. Peace. Okay, y'all. So now it is 11:14. Now I'm about to switch them over and to see how the other side is looking. So perfect. Actually, that one doesn't look fully done. That right there, I don't know if y'all can see it, but hold on, I'm about to bring y'all up in just a second. Add a little bit more butter. That one don't look fully cooked. Cause that one's crispy, so. That right there doesn't look completely done, like on the outside, just like in the middle. It's not because of the butter, just that on the outside doesn't look completely done, so I'm about to cook that up for a little bit more minutes. And then the other two should be done. Sorry if my hand is in the way. Just trying to set the camera down. But yeah. Try to move the butter around. After that, I'm cooking me some eggs too. I already don't eat a lot, so I'm not gonna cook everything. So that's just how I am. Okay, that's how I do. That butter around on that side. Go from there. I have to go get my plate. Okay, I'm gonna plate. Ready? This one is done. I will catch y'all when the waffles are out of the pot. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to put the eggs in the pot. The pot's already hot, now I just gotta add my butter and stuff. So, have to see. Big bang, same little bang. The butter and then the sizzle. So I got 2 eggs and stuff, but I will catch y'all when the eggs are in the pot. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I know some people, I've been watching like a little cooking videos and stuff. Some people, they be adding different type of stuff to their eggs. I just only add black pepper to my eggs. I don't like the other type. Some people add salt and other type of stuff. I just add black pepper to mine, but there's other people's opinion. I just add black pepper. So, don't want to add that much. So, turn it over. I'm gonna catch y'all guys when the eggs are done. I know y'all probably don't want to see this, but I'll catch y'all when the eggs are done. Okay, y'all, so the eggs are done now. I'm still letting them cook for a little bit. Right there. And I don't know if I can record and cook at the same time, but I'm gonna try to multitask. Cause okay, now they're done. Let me get them mixed up. So sit y'all down. I'm about to put it on my plate and stuff. This is it. This side. Let's see again. This is it. Let's see. Yes. Got the waffles right here. Make sure you always turn off the stove because it might catch on fire. So make sure you always check behind y'all still. Make sure y'all turn off the stove. So when I get done with the pot, I just put it at the back. That's okay. Somebody else needs the pot. But, so, that right there is my cooking video I did for y'all. Because I haven't did one yet. So, that right there is my cooking video. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on all post notifications. And make sure you follow my Instagram. No, wait, never mind. But yeah, make sure you do all that and stuff. And I will keep y'all updated on some things and stuff. So make sure y'all turn on all post notifications and do all that. So I will see y'all in my next video. And I'll make sure I do keep y'all updated on some things that I have coming up. So I will see y'all later in my next video. Peace.
Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name?